Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this car is F22, which is BMW 2 Series 2015. Let's start the service of this car. First we need to open the filter housing, the cap. So you need this tool for that. So basically this tool. So when you type this tool here and do a click, yeah, like that. Full of oil. So that is the filter. Let's clean it and put the new one. So that's the oil filter. Just check the number for 2 Series BMW F22. So let's open it. We'll get these rubbers. This one and the small rubber, and of course the filter. And let's change the rubber now. It's very hard to take off this rubber, so make sure so your filter housing not gonna affect by this. Yeah, this one, put the new one in. Yeah, so this filter on both equal sides, so you can put any side here. It's ready. Just put some oil. Actually there's oil in it, no need to do that because I haven't taken out the oil plug, drain plug, so it's gonna be poured out. After that you can put this one. Just clean a bit. So this tool is less than a 10-pound tool. You can get from anywhere. Yeah. Because why this tool is useful? Because sometimes this has been round, so there's no proper place to tuck this one because of use it again and again. So some of the bad mechanics like that as well, they open. So this tool is very useful. So it will help you to tighten and lose it, any kind of filter. Look at that. Yeah, it's fully tight. Thank you. BMWs, so you can find this one in every single BMW. Just do it like that with the flat-headed screw. After that, that's the one.